If you're having trouble with the microphone not working during video calls on Messenger, you're in the right place. Today we'll cover some quick and easy fixes to get your microphone working again. Let's get started. First, let's check if the issue is with the app permissions. Open the Messenger app on your smartphone. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down and find Messenger. Tap on permissions. Ensure that microphone permission is enabled. If it's not, toggle it on. This allows Messenger to access your microphone during calls. If permissions are set correctly and you're still having issues, let's check Messenger's in-app settings. Open Messenger. Tap on the three horizontal lines and go to settings. Scroll down to find privacy and support. Then go to voice and video settings. Ensure that microphone and camera settings are properly configured for video calls. If the setting looks good but your microphone still isn't working, try restarting your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches. Also, make sure both your Messenger and your phone's operating systems are up to date. Go to your App Store and search for Messenger. And if there's an update available, simply update it. Another quick fix is to test your microphone in other apps or record a voice memo to ensure the microphone itself is working. As a last resort, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Messenger. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions gets your microphone working during video calls on Messenger.